In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge Trello boards. Let's get started. If you've ever tried to combine two Trello boards, you probably noticed that Trello doesn't offer a direct merge feature. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that you can use. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Once the homepage loads, log into your account. Now, to combine boards, you'll need to copy content from one board to another manually. If you only want to copy an individual card, open that card. On the right-hand side, under Actions, click Copy. Here you can rename it, decide whether to keep the labels or due dates, and then choose the destination board where you want it to go. If you want to copy an entire board, open the board, click Show menu, then click Copy Board. You'll be asked to give it a new name and select a workspace. This will duplicate the entire board structure along with all of its cards. And that's how you merge or duplicate boards in Trello. Thanks for watching.